Richtech Robotics roaring back to life as it recently announced a significant sales agreement valued at over $4 million, secured through its Chinese joint venture, Boyu Artificial Intelligence Technology, with Beijing Tongchuang Technology Development Co. Limited. The agreement, officially signed on June 24th, includes the purchase, service, and software licensing of products from 3 of Richtech's robot lines: Atom, the AI-powered barista robot capable of preparing beverages like coffee and tea; Scorpion, the service robot used in restaurant environments; and the heavy-duty robot named Titan, designed for delivery tasks, useful in places like automotive workshops, or when human employees need to be put in their place, like at the far reaches in a storage warehouse. Ha ha ha, go Team Robot! Run, human, run! These marvelous machines, powered by proprietary AI systems, already demonstrated their capabilities in the U.S. market, with over 400 deployments across diverse sectors like hospitality, healthcare, and retail environments. This agreement is expected to boost Richtech's revenue in the fourth quarter of 2025 and generate recurring income from ongoing services and software licensing, while enhancing a presence in China and opening doors for additional opportunities across the broader Asian market. With or without the American flag, the robots haven't decided yet.